Weight loss patches like the Luxarise Moringa patch are everywhere online right now, promising fast fat loss, appetite control, and boosted metabolism, all with almost no effort. But does Luxarise actually work, or is it just clever marketing? Let's break it down. So Luxarise markets itself as a daily transdermal patch that delivers plant-based ingredients like moringa and berberine through the skin to help you burn fat, suppress hunger, balance blood sugar, and shed pounds fast, sometimes even within a week. The ads often use bold promises like visible changes in 7 days and no diet or exercise needed. Here's the important part. There's no strong scientific evidence that patches like this reliably cause meaningful weight loss on their own. While ingredients such as moringa have been studied for supporting metabolism in capsule form, human studies are limited and inconclusive, and none prove dramatic weight loss from a patch alone. Medical experts point out that the key to weight loss is maintaining a calorie deficit through diet, exercise, and lifestyle changes, not relying on a patch that says it does the work for you. A few red flags worth noting. Claims of fast, dramatic results, lose pounds in just a week, are not realistic and are common in misleading online ads. FDA certified or clinically supported badges on websites don't prove effectiveness. FDA does not officially approve most weight loss supplements or patches in the way the ads imply. Many of these products rotate under different names with the same photos and claims, a tactic often seen in low transparency or dropshipping operations. Independent user reviews for similar patches often report no real results, and some even call these products useless or scam-like. Reviews of similar patches show complaints about lack of effectiveness and refund issues. Some of its pros: it's easy to use. Just apply a patch daily, and may contain ingredients like moringa that support general wellness. However, there's no credible evidence it causes significant weight loss. Both claims are not backed by human studies or clinical trials, and marketing often overstates what the product can actually do. Even if a patch arrives, that doesn't make the dramatic promises true. So does the Luxarise Moringa patch actually help you lose weight? No, not in any meaningful medically proven way. While it might have ingredients that support general metabolism or appetite awareness, the weight loss claims are largely marketing hype and not supported by real scientific evidence. If your goal is real sustainable fat loss, focus on healthy eating, regular exercise, and a calorie deficit. That's what science supports. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.